Tell me what you're gonna draw.
I can make Gaga and boobs.
Okay, tell me how you draw Lady Gaga. How do you do it? What do you do?
Wait.
Where's that?
I know.
What are you making?
Say Gaga.
Gaga.
Okay, show me how you draw
What
Gaga.
do you have to draw?
What's that?
That's baby things.
A baby things? I thought you was drawing Gaga.
Gaga's gone.
Where'd she go? Show me the other, here. Okay, what's this?
Wait, Gaga.
Well, show me what all's
What's
on
on
there.
Gaga.
Like, what's on Lady Gaga? What'd you put on her?
Poopies and pee-pee.
Oh, my,
And panties.
and panties?
Yeah.
Is that what Lady Gaga looks like?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay. Why don't you make me a pony? Make a
Yeah.
Make
I
a
should make you that.